how to fix Android Auto not working. Now, if your Android Auto is not working, the first thing you can try to do is to just restart the phone that you're currently using and try to connect for your Android Auto. And another is you can also try to restart your car's infotainment system. Now you can also check for software updates on both of the phone and the car. On your car also try to check for software update of the UI. On your phone also you can go to your settings and check if there is any sort of software update available and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now make sure that your Android Auto settings is also properly enabled. So if you open up settings, you'll find various different options under connected devices on Samsung device. I can now go to the option called Android Auto. For Android Auto to work, I need to also have my Bluetooth location and other stuffs enabled, so make sure you do that. Now if your Android Auto was working before your device was connected, you can go to previously connected vehicles, disconnect the device and try to connect the vehicle again to see if that helps you solve the problem. So hopefully this video helped you solve it. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.